Hello, Blue Jay. I named him Blue Jay because his eyes are so blue.
What a pretty boy.
And here's Sparrow. It kind of reminded me of the Captain Jack Sparrow character. I thought, well, if Johnny Depp was a puppy, this would be him, definitely. And a pirate. So there you have it. And this one's Lovebird. For obvious reasons. She's just a cutie little lovey. And she has one blue eye and one brown eye. And this little guy is Chickadee. He's got really bright blue eyes and he's just little. He's not a runt, so to say, as it like he never struggled for life or anything, but he is small. And that is why I named him Chickadee.